Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let me explain the rest of the next few days. It is time for you to make your logo project yours. There will not be any more full-length training. I've taught you how to build, I've taught you how to paint, I've taught you how to color. Now it's time for you to make the project epic so that it's ready to turn in. So when you follow the link to the playlist in our Google Classroom, it'll take you to the logo programming playlist. In this playlist, you should or you need to have completed lessons 1 through 5. That gets you to the colors that I showed you so that you can get close to this level here. I am currently adding, after the first 5 lessons, these little ones like how to add a pool, how to add a doghouse, how to add a rainbow, and there will be a whole herd of these that give you a start on adding cool things to your logo house project. And you just need to work as diligently as you can and as quickly as you can in an effort to surpass this skill set. So, I'm not going to slow you down anymore. Get watching these projects and let's see how cool and creative you can be as you add cool things to your logo house project, including possibly things that I haven't even given you the thoughts on building. So have fun and stay epic, friends.